Hello students, welcome back to Mathematics with Arman. Today's topic is one of the most important chapters of class 8, linear equations in one variable. What's the topic? Linear equation in one variables. And most important chapters of class 8. Let's understand it in the simplest way with example. Ready? Let's go. What is linear equation in one variable? A linear equation. A linear equation is an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1, and in one variable means contains only one unknown letter like x or y or z. A linear equation a linear equation is an equation where a linear equation is an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1, and in one variable and in one variable means that it contains only one unknown letters like x or y. Suppose we take an example like this: x plus 3 equal to 7. How you will find the value of x? How you will find? Okay, what will be the possible value for this equation? What will be the possible values of all? What will be the possible values of x in this equation? After it, I will tell you about that. Is it possible to have an infinite values in one equation? I will tell you. Okay, the answer will be there are only one possible value for the solution of this equation. That will be 4. What you did? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Possible value is 7. Possible value is 7. There is a point to remember that in linear equation in one variable there is a only one solution for it, and if there is linear equation in two variable there will be infinitely many solutions to it, to the answer. So this thing should be kept in your mind. Now we will solve some questions, then I will give you some homework question, then I will end up the session. Now some first question like this: 2x minus 5 equal to 11. We will transpose. If it is a negative, then it will be positive. 11 plus 5, 2x will be equal to 16. Then x will be equal to 16 upon 2, 8. X will be equal to 8. X will be equal to 8. Next question: 5 x minus 2 bracket close 3 x plus 4. Now this question how you will do? If you can try, then you should try, or you can first, if you are trying, so pause this and try to solve. If you get the answer, it is very excellent that you have solved linear equation 2 variable as it is already studied in your classes. Okay, I think you have tried. Whenever we have to remove bracket, then we will always multiply. 5 times 5 multiplied by x will be equal to 5x. 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10. 3 multiplied by x will be 3x. 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. Now transpose 5x, it is in positive, then it will be negative. 5x minus 3x, it is in positive, it is in negative, then it will become in positive. 22. 5x minus 3x will be 2x. X will be equal to 22 upon 2, and x will be equal to 11. X will be equal to 11. Next question. After that we will solve an language based question. X minus 2 upon 3 will be equal to 4. Find x. What we will do? Again transpose. X minus 2 is equal to 3 into 4. X minus 2 will be equal to 3 into 4, 12. X will be equal to 12 plus 2, and x will be equal to 14. And now here's the language based question. Now language based questions. Language based questions. One question will do. After that, in next part we will continue another. A father is 30 years older than his son. After 7 years, okay, 5 years, after 5 years he will be thrice as old as his son's son present age of son is. A father is 30 years old older than his son. After 5 years he will be twice as old as his son. Present age of son is. A father is 30 years older than his son. That means x, suppose we take the percentage of son is equal to x, then father will be x plus 35. Father will be x. After 5 years, after 5 years, after 5 years will be son will be equal to x plus 5. After 5 years he will be twice as old as his son. He will be twice. This means after 5 years, after 5 years father, after 5 years father will be equal to twice of his son, twice of his son age. Father is x plus 35. How? X plus, here is x plus 30 now. Here is what? Here is x plus 30. Now we add father plus 5 years, then father will be x plus 35, x plus 35, and x plus 35 will be equal to 2x plus 5, 2x 2 bracket x plus 5, x plus 35 will be equal to 2x plus 10, x minus 2x minus x will be equal to 10 minus 25, and x will be equal to 25, x will be equal to 25. Here is the end of the session. Now let's do homework question. Homework question. Okay, 5 bracket x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 4. You have to just find x. Okay, drop your answer in the comments below. This is mathematics with Arman, and I will see you in the next session. Thank you.